Okay, hada madi wala lontan ko wanyanda ke kemente. Yalo fulo. Ntol be ngam ko alen tolda. Ntol muslim wala. Ntol la propose ni dunia ko ne wolen ka alabatu. Wolen foloti. Wo fulan jango wolen iyo personal goals. Because ni alabatu, alama fo ya batu damma itarata damma batu itara salikan damma. But if you think if you may alon ko be fo na fala and in society na fala. Those will be your personal goals. Ilafta ke menti sama. Or that will be your purpose. But it's I need your purpose ite alabatu ni yo landi wala ite la personal goals ni yo landi because of fame. Woto ilan na dunia kono abe nafa bi na doyala. Biring ala ko ma khalaqtul jinna wal insa illa liya'budun. Saying ite nite mo muslim mo dite yalla ko saying ala interda mu na pour kante batu. Bari saying nata ni ma ala batu saying jang fe be la purpose ni ba attakan na anyanda ke nyam pe man tra ke kan ke nyam. E man tra ta ka wanyam. So your purpose is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala brought you in this dunya for and your personal goals.
Exactly. Odula kumata back kwa Mariama ya funyame hadama di muka ngayenda pu kilinde ka wala muka alapatu saying nada fahami ya fananko purpose mulka deviate wala fwete ya muta mune kasabu mulika deviate the purpose why they are here eka kefendi mealon ko ekatar men no wolom chip popularity isaji wo kono isi lafta kamul kontanindi ka ala kamfandi ete amuta mune ko sabu is it money ko dolom banjama bi menno because ngana film dul si famous tanko ko do si sort of forte whether you like it or whether you know it or not there are people me anko pretty famous in social media isaje mol be like la ebe ko do men sort la je stawdu ni ko sa mune ko sabu.
Oh, okay. So, cool mingo sabu mulkela purpose bulaje they go in for popularity because ikajelo ko that one is more cheaper than going in for purpose. There ni after concentrate on your purpose. You have to believe in yourself and all that, and it has to it's more ni after carry like it will be more expensive than being popular. So being popular is more cheap, so they would prefer to go in for that than going in for purpose. And also kaya fanyameng come kodikuo and to what matter is the reason why they will want to go in for popularity instead of purpose. Yes.
But mo jama si jakal Mariama isa foko ha community afanyameng popularity wala cheap than purpose. Mo jama si jakal how can popularity be cheap than purpose? Because nga moli mango ila fa popular and say popular.
Popularity is cheaper than purpose. Ning ayata re fong yalla ko wet what yalla ne ko nyi okay. Yalla ne me na ko popularity is cheaper. Karibe fengole kela me yalla ko you will please others. Ita kela just to please me yalla ko wol mi tala goal ci da. Ite be fengole kela me yalla ko it please others. Ninta nata jam bi ngan na connection o malajang mbe ko wol ke kam me yalla ko mbe foni ko wol kela wala mbe fengole fala me yalla ko anin silo manta. Abe mo kontaan ndila. Anu mbe famous la fonte wala muntala lontan kawate duniyaja one time anu ning ayata ndefa ngita moti mi yalla ko ha binta mu kawandi lalti ngana connection o mala mbe kuwol tale mbe suga code la pour moli tara na site iba fala ha Mariam like the Gen Z ustad or something like that ma fala just to please them but inta fala mi yalla ko wole mu tunyati and then ningo okay mol binantal na site instead of ita mola mo me yanon ko be karanna binantala sa because lafta men moyle ko wala mo intala wala lafta men jala ko wala jentala so mo niyat ne ko ning ko popularity is cheap you do what please others me yanon ko you will grab their attention but not your goal you understand
so ko me yanon ka kumata ato nyala god ya jibe popularity at like shifted than purpose because it's come easy kuma for me and come and so that just to become popular because nyabe wala so now etia muta popularity means still na medium and purpose sai simo jamaje ni lafta ko kala ikasile kamera minanyi menke kam fabe mol kontane ndela bam fata mol kontane etia muta means asimune tinyano hadama din to stay on your purpose.
So most of the time never decision maker the decisions they make is based on popularity than purpose. The reason why I said that is because ikajala come mokana akakumo for you yourself you know that akamin for it's not true. But then because he or she wants to be famous akakumo for and na kumo for it becomes more popular than the purpose. Yes.
It become more popular than the Popos. Mariam, it seems like that. I don't know what is going on today. No problem. So now, Mariam, ngalo ne ko ni diamuta purpose and popularity. It is la me peers, your peers, mol milan ko ni kata ite tuno la kom. You understand? It is hamira. Hanamadi milan ko no lekata either they are your friends. Isi mumma ko erle keno to stay on your purpose to come here to focus on the purpose of the creation you were created for, and also itamde simunne fanan tinyano on your purpose.
Mo nini mol kata men yalan ko ifo yalan ko ni mol kata mo tan yalan ko ntel yenta da men kamma itul mantara ko nyin ni bula wol fi imari la you will not be on track ibe silo bulalan bari nini mol bita kan men yalan ko mol ning yalan ne mi atul samanan dunya kona and yalan ne munatul fana na gol ta lafta ke munati in future al kanyo ma ko no laleta because atul damalem hada madi ngoy teri mala sa fengo do foni men yalan ko dota fonole and wole fanan sita understand no katambi dota isiata menti wala men siatit ya understand so ning any mo bitaka me yalan ko aya long men yatul samanan dunya kono ada kanyo ma koy kanyo tentendi ko nyina alte bala on track because yalan san jama bijin ton kala fika ke fenti me yalan ko mol manke wati because of popularity ite yalan ente mlafta ke new like I want to be a good person but because ika menje banta ika menje silo kan wala ika menje on social media waliya tinna ite ika bosilo ika silo be bulale yetara bularing trend numa because ika fengo dolje ida donwalem wala pare nyalem wala diamu nyalem ika copy ite fo malo muni anda banyin copy kan because kuma kan wani ida popular tele wala dress code ninga popular tele wala manyanyin a popular tele wala nambakika fo nyin kuwin anin tele atin tele goal soul is anin na goal soul whether they in line or not you don't care more we will be blinded by popularity.
We will be blinded by popularity comme mbe yalo nyawolom darajo nyin mo be ko fonga daraja mo be ko fonga daraja Khadija o kuti me yalo kabe mo jama ko askeno Khadija fa wala fa daraja fode se hana so itti hamuta darajo ani mum man to rakulle kanan na society kon popularity
I am a disadvantage.
yeah
Okay, saying to be popular, disadvantage sort of when it comes to our societies. One, akatin nale come ite you no more concentrate on your like the reason why you are brought to this dunya, and secondly, you totally forget about your personal goals. Ite you only keep impressing people, and you would also be like, honey, ibe fenfankeka. Eba fal he but foninga nyinge fokari abe satisfy la wala fanyi mo nanga mo le satisfy la wala kari be munni minna fala ida batara wala like you be pleasing people, you will not be like ida tarale from below that it like people are dictating you indirectly. Yes,
so people are dictating you indirectly marela fa do level people are dictating you indirectly so ete amuto sila komi ila purpose me alon ko e biji o be distraction na la jenyati koma be distract la nyadi yala ni misal ka mete ko ela va ko kala pour mo le content you are just that of pleasing people. You said if I post this today, hope Mariam will be happy with this. Yalo be kala kuti me alon ka be how will that affect you to stay focused? Okay.
Okay, abe mo distract la nyadi le.
Yeah.
Iba fengo post la like na time na social media tam. Mbe fengo post la whether ninga post mol ba like la fuita like la. Abe de affect la menna. Fengo dol bije te fengo ka pare ka wol fintindi. Ninga de ke da modi me de ka tu mol jelande la on social media. Mo wale ka tu pare wala on social media just for people to see ya fo kari mashallah masha. Ni mo comment ji hani commenting, negative commenting, aki affect la ki la mental health aka stop le. Ani wala na mwikatele siri ni moyi na na be yela kamera malay be kumbo kange be kuwol ki kan ida ye kala leke ameda ide kala ke fun yanne ko ngani kala me ngakele just because of likes wala ngakele because of followers or something say yeta fo nyaato ye kudo ke moli afo ko yin menkete ibadu manyen na nyinkela anu wo mol bo fole yel ibadu manyen na nyinkela den ite nana ye akonyin ay atharoti balo bala faita ye la kala ta ya bundi saying jang ibe konyin ke kan man dara kan because of alale ko ya ke de ibake kan because of popularity ika modol je ke pare nicely ke pare decently just pour mol yaje kari be nyimen kika an mol yal ne ko comme ika ko ke pour mol yaje Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala man nafa min fanje wala ka popular wodunti la ko ko ne la ibada ko na a warata nyawanya na faaw na fanyenta anen ni kake bake ibe molle please la anu hana badi mo buka please no bi ni nyinke akoy mol ko ya beti ara beti sama ibe fenni kele fen din ani mol bi start la ibe start negative comment la rek ibe mur la kuma because imantara ke kan ala kam e bake ke tol la ko kam faysa murun kuma adu ni murun ta kuma say tibe mal it kam murunam back to your feet abakole ala. Yeah.
Exactly. Kamurunang back to your senses aka kuti me yalon kaka kwale yale. Khadija, ite mut me yalon ko ifana movement ile research mentorship academy. Nganin mu kuti me yalon ko kujama bije me yalon ko hali karam. Siraji ite ma ko nyadile pour ni frère society kono. Ite kala mut me yalon ko society e bete kala ko society lafte te ke nyame, bari ite be kala ko mi yanta kala nyame pour society e bete ya fam.
Okay, Siraji ente karande minna wala. Asiyata le ataban. But some of the things I am karande minna wala to be myself and also to trust in my capabilities. Wala kalam wala in whatsoever I am doing in life, I should believe in myself. And fanang manyana kamu allowed to dictate me as to what I should do. Yes. And in fanang like to be aware of myself. Yes. I encourage you fananale because ikata society kono nowadays ikata society kono iba jara mol ba fele ko kari okay akatara kan nyinni neke come even if the thing is good but they will still be talking about it as we all know samola society kono yeku betoke yeku joke they will still be talking. Yes, so wakati na ko yalo wo like ni tamu moti mi alon ko ila fenko mal famba fele ila fit fa nyaade ba like you are not that bold dal nsa fono wala nyam
a fitness
hani comme ka le fon la ni mo mi ko ma self confidence to ni am ba fuka he kari okay tenin e ba fala he but me hope what I'm doing hope it's correct. But if you have that self confidence in you e ba jale ni mo ka fon fange it fon you will know that what I'm doing whether it's good or it's bad. Yeah, so these are some of the things I want to say. But then, as when it comes to self-confidence, the reason why I'm sitting here and all that, Obe is because of Siraj.
Yes. So, on jama si jakali ka fo be sirin jani ay mo ka jara jara. Fo janni na Siraj multi melon ko ka jara jara.
De janinga na Siraj mu multi mi alo go muka jara jara because back then in junior school I was the head guy. So I developed that public speaking skills. But then niya janata up to this level, it's because of Siraj. Yes.
So Siraj Mentorship Academy, one can say kita multi me along ko really tried to uplift you and to improve your to the way you face the media whatsoever the public. Exactly. So to Mariama ngalo ne ko saying medium fembalet ni nata jibe popularity ni purpose même fa cool ni batafi be warani mul fa me understand you understand because it's moje media ko ya fa nyama si ara sister sol fa ko istari media be daraji si moje bi aka nika bi lo mati bi I have seen that sinning isaja nika wo wanda kata Facebook live last me TikTok live last time mi ya lonko so ite amuta nyin media atelala intervention in conjunction with popularity and purpose. I am cool not in society con right now.
Media la intervention way negative effect la national mola society con when you come to popularity and purpose la karo. Parce mo be ite telephone wo tregaji mo be nindo 700 likes 300 likes and then amari min qabilati ko manum fanangan niqab isaje fanangan like jamasot. So ni de okay. It's obviously that who me along ke make alaka me babulala and yena ay social media dimindu men fo sama nan fo yana segregation of din ika dino ika mobile o yele ite mon men yalan ko nyen tontol karandi la mon la dino la ntol jikita men nan kon itol lem tol la dina nyaton kol wolle ka tara on social media ba ñoo nenne ba ñoo ba mal sakile ba ñoo fa mal sakila because of what popularity because idama bije fon wol ital man kana fon wono bari de arab kan kuntun nin kilim fa seniyata doron just because mol ya ko kare kana wono le kare mu kala nalti ibi mol borandi la dinol ya tinna ni popularity ko yatna dino talata fulati mol ka dino je comme dino mianan ko atalata fulati dol ba fula dol musu fillati dol ma fula dol musu nillati because of popularity lemde men sufi kendol wol be siri ne be mol kalandi kan dino la sunni kendol be siri ne be mol kalandi kan dino man dara mo attack nak but mem muto nyati mbengo fadara i jama bije katara nyi membe laten ha puru ndel la followers yata ndel mol kan tel la moy iba fala kari ila moy nge karandi kari ila moy nge londindi anu ni bare da dem nan de ita mari buka fem fu ila diamo ni kon ni mol bare de ita da comment section o dundo ba fala team kari ndo ba fala team kari adu waka mol la dino aka mol confusing de la ala lon ko ni mu amanalje mol le be siring e ka la moy mol le be siri be karankal al blocker dol bije man chance de kata ustadul la moy man chance de kata dara e kam little time men so de scroll on TikTok ibe karankan atol le blocker sa ite nata ite kata siring ite sheikh to ite ko itam sheikh ibe mol attack kam personally ibe mol borandi kan dino ite fanan ko itam sheikh ibe mol attack al si ali mol karandi ali mol famu ni munem dino because in social media nata wale kam hani ita popular because of kem mol karandi kan ne akenen sila kendo kan nal walita al wali ni kuñi ñaari wala ande nal pare tade ñu hakilo bulande la ñu murundi parce que wali o dino kono o metal bala nka kenya men scientific ngalo ni ko social media na manke woti go atakela wanyam ibe life malala whole day itara siring imantara fenna fo ka masala mi yalon ko wo amuna pashatale biring ite to solve la no bi ibitar la mol bula la mol la alfa la because of that ni pare ya woni sheikh hari ne wadiata ah mari mon ma koy dara
amin comme la wala mane mol ma ko yani ko ya warta back kuma même for non sa siada media ba ka dul fali sa foko tayem follow sometimes when I see that nkaje ko maybe what you are doing it ba ke kana just for money and popularity ya sort of
ika ko wala kama iba fala ni man yin qur'ano share mala like ñing ila moy janni ni ita lafta ala nala kilala ila moy ñin na ina ñin qur'ano share ni man ñin qur'ano share ala baka ala yo fo muntu le ko ka fo go ni man ñin qur'ano share ni ala ba kudo kelela adi men man yalon ko wal malo di like they feel guilty or something like that mbatu nga share mat do be wa share because malo mine be kere ate ba me la ni ma share abeka nge me yalon ka kawando ka e kela video start ila moy na ni man la moy na ala fitanin tan wala follow and share pour ya mo membe kat an bukalo fon kela mo parce que kala ne ko ite imman kuma di yey kana men fo miana ka kumayat nim kumo biji miana ka kumayat nyanta men fola idi ta das idi ya muta doro mul be lula le yela mo ni yake ala kam mul be lula le kawon dilal biji min yalan ko imman dol biji fo do biji tan ala video nka de on social media bara man social media handle so amman social media handle so bari wo it at a video tinale la for you page fani kata mote bank be kela moy kanja ban yala video je belu la yala mo anam abuka fo ha lo yella moy ani fen ko fen bari ñun dolo ko wa mashallah anden fana amma hala man ke kawandi la karol tol kewol le musul lemba social media mul batandi bakel ite kewoje ite yemoja me yalon ka fa ko ambe nge forex trading la ke kan abe ko di jama bal fokan abe ko dol fata la ite malon go be mine fo ke kan en general if don go fana bedunna forex trading
yeah it's very common now
bedunna forex trading ite dol je me yalon ka be abaya la afrika wala fendo and then abe like abe life do live kam me ite fo malon nyi kan ko do be boni dam jama bi be ko dol men ta kay ba use kam pour kay la lifestyle sponsor amman ke kamen soto ila profit to wala ila business bari ite o ya start ka abaya al wafi rek ite fana ya start ka ko ke me yalan ko woni silumanta ka kudo ta ka kila lifestyle ta ka falling because of what ite fana lafte like kenyin celebrity balti and stuff on yan dalon nal me mol sama na won me mo fo ni kana social media allo mune bente samba ka on social media mbe account yele kam mune kam idan te bayele kan pour ka mol motivate lamba wala bayele kan pour comedian yale wala fendo bari ite ma soto ite ma ibayele kan men kam safo ite yayela just for fun do something me yanan ko is meaningful ye audience sort of think me yanan ko molbe one or two things abe hada mani wana fara be society na fara but you have 100,000 views 100,000 followers say na see moye kundin kila rek dol bije wol so kon na musukunda mo be kundin kele be telephone malala ya banem birim so manda fogularo anin edi kam banem ba itam bale ete wulu anu fana mo ite musolti anu bale ete wulu babe wala ifen fen fo yen ning fen na abetable abetala so ibo be kam pour moli abai karin nengo diata ninin kari sonkata abuke bulaji wanyam obe mu just ibe cloud chasing lala so aka diamo kasiya nak ala
exactly diamo kasiya kula me an kani kuya warta back wala nga shake dol la me ako the more followers you have on social media handles the more responsible you become on the day of judgment. If you do good, those people benefited from it. Mashallah, it is good. But if you do bad also, Allah is going to account because you were the very one. Ito lang mo me ango, ibu will be influenced kan kafe ko alingin kalingin. So mo kuti me ango sa siyata bakel. So Khadija, fun sa fono ko popularity at a dal among good sides. So it has only negative sides. Is that right?
To me, I personally, I cannot say popularity is more good deal for that.
I mean, like whether it has some good sides. All of us, if I who can popular, yeah, this side popularity has good sides. This has advantage.
Yeah, to me, I would say it has advantage, but maybe one to me. That is popularity is like it can open doors for you. That is, you can be popular and also you are purposeful. But in a case that you are only popular but you are not purposeful, like you are only chasing, like what Chati said, class, yes. That is a total disadvantage. But when you are popular and also you are purposeful, yes, that one mom is okay with me.
So sign. Meming left out the way I want to drive and is that like the more popular asimun kule nati no society kono wala na dula to me alon ko mo be sabatiri wala. Exactly. No problem.
Ni mo populata abe men sama na mo la society kono asiatal. Ide be kala multi me alon ko be kala mul na mouthpiece. Kuo membe society batandika you have your platform. Finti ya fo nyinge me mul batandika mul lafta nyinela. Mul be la mula because you have the followers. Kuo dol be je katara kini mul la Gambia jang. Untol kamel jeng ka fo ha those people are celebrities. So-called celebrities. Those people are celebrities. Ibuki je fon kadiam kuola. Ika mo je menyale be sasari be demar nyinola. Igana ta jele ye video nying ida ya repost le because ni ya repost mo jamala baje fo wonte ita repost la and then ita hani video ke la ko ida ga video jama ka san da ila video do be ka ake mo la ma ko ko ina na ka mo le je me yalan ko to ka men ko ndi ka fo mo bal e ke la video e ka repost ina na ke la video add to their stories ana na to sotala itol fengo me yalan mo ni atredi ke ta mo di me yalan ko you are popular ke mo la mouthpiece lo alon ko ite you will be held accountable for people that are watching you. Ni mol surata kole mi yalan ka be mol batandikan wuli diam. Ni kole mi yalan ka be mol nafala de wuli yafo. Amanke e kun ko na fentiji kun ko na fembiji ni telephone e rese femfono mi yalan ko wono tu abe mol nafala ye mol advice wala ye mol makoy. Bari daga da moti mi yalan ko you have the platform e mantara mol makoy ko khadi ya fanya amanna awote nafa wa nafandintal. Bari ni ga moti comme nying iya platform mo sala di ka mol makoy anen adonin do biji ani delo mo makoy do bi ye odundi on social media mari man kende mol contribute o boto sasa nyin kon ani no boto sasa kende o mari we men kala society kon jumale wolo mo wolo ye fe ngoje silo kan silo nyin amantara betiaring wala silo nyin tinyata mo do bi ko do be bloko ida kala fika adundi bare bi kali badun dada bayiti je video ya post on social media an mo nata nan ay je dada mo tambite wudlari defa nan bo baraju stala fonte ye diamo fo diam killing of la me anka be mol makoyla mo yo mo ya ma dira life chi abita mari makoyla so popularity am negative side the master I positive side to that it you have your platform make sure you make best use of it.
Thank you so very much. Kama afanyami ni popular tara kula me alon ko maybe ndeni de se kodo fo oda janjanna bar ni mo popular aje kon tara das la mele GTG if in the media komi ya Mariama ya fanyami ko jita das la men kolbul mo jolle kete GB maybe if it is 100,000 people following you obviously it will help those people pray josodo and that is good and in fana yaje ko ita dara karle ngaje ndaro to kuranol le tiji fonkol tiji findi da ko kuran dara kal kuran tiji ni darol to kujama bi mele anko problem wol like afanyam how many celebrities so called celebrities like CC because ikataji kaje ko we visit those people the only focus that they have is like come Qatar media come they come after one another ndele followers or ndele followers or ndele follow that is something me along it is completely distracting us yeah so Khadija ngalon ne ko komi ya Mariama ya fanya social media dafa nanga ki fennet me along ko aka mul affect le me along ko yin celebrity ya bari Maria celebrity ko the so called celebrities so ya na san yin celebrity ya fana abe mun kule dia gan to deviate people from their purpose emoje komi me along ko askene mu ka jo 10,000 akam celebrity
sa ube mo
po ha abe what we exact mum man torna from their purpose.
Okay, wo abe like being a so-called celebrity abe montoraya min kamakan mo la society kona say wala you totally deviate from your personal goals and also ita ka more influence la mili alonko they were focusing on their goals to deviate from that you distract others from concentrating on their personal goals and anin fana ikati nala kom dol ka dun kuta mi alonko ya imanya na kadungara because ko chat ya fanya example I am doing business so people see me having money or my likes and the type of lifestyle I'm living and someone else out there wants to live the same life I'm living but ita ma alon taka kudo nyimboniram so it can lead you to something else mi alonko is bad yeah
and lead you to something else me alonko is bad exactly walam tunya de kay Mariam Siraj sign dinga sign agada kafuti me alonko coinsavo kafuki akeba hata sign kari that dawre Siraj mental jiji last time in the program so that's what they were telling me so Atel in your effort albemen katakan how are you trying to help your mentees pour kaje ko to stay focused on their purpose rather than chasing cheap popularity.
Ntole menke kan nke mako la ye fawala yalla moni ko fawala kamta nandiro le but amanke nandiro nke mako la ye fawala yalla itlem jumati ni di yalla itlem jumati iti yalla mun ni yalla mem itam jumati follow yalla ne mun mi la golti akete nyawanye you will stay on track killing we have a session in emotional intelligence and self awareness and then ika career guidance fanem biji wo fulol ni moy aya folon kende anu ya mari alafta menna fana alafta ala career mu minute ya mako ya ayo silo nyinta amari ning ala ya dima amari ti silo bulala adum fana be koku kala il nka make sure la aning wala dino ita because men bebeje mentin men bebeje be mu muslim wallet ma fo mon man christian te dina do sotala bari men biji be mu muslim wallet bari hana atara dina dole wol fanan ila fenko mote pour ka alaba to fawante be koku kala nka make sure la ayake aning ala la silweta anen ay kana silubula ye life fawala because hana man ni lati fawala idi am ta dawda mol like mol be la mola te yeke muti me alan ko ka tonya le fo e mutunya molet mo kane mo la ko kane intimidate akata nyaaw mo kala ko kanati na yela kuma kawta ya fale tonya lem e nyaay tonya la ji afo bari fanan fo nyaale bala ni kanandi wala because mo alfa le mo block antol we have culture ko dol biji ta tar yara af alfa wo nyama comme nama ta tonya fa bu wuli ale foka ko dara wisi ba fala nyame so ke ma fe ni
exactly mo kuti me la ko betata and that is really a move in right direction Bafala Siraj ya baraka bak ni ka try no ka ila mentil ki karandi wala mo kuti me alam ka kumata so ngalon ne ko fanan ak Siraj komi afanya yal kete modi me lam ko yal karandi pour yen dal la yen tollo na nyam you understand because wol mo kulet me yalon ko fanan kumata saying social media la mantoro na la pindim pandaw me am ko be siarin say iti amuda mo be jumal le blem.
Okay, so social media la disadvantage, should I say that? Social media tinyaro mbekeri. We have to blame the so-called celebrities we mentioned earlier, because and all the other people that are involved, not only the the so-called celebrities, yes. Because Niajibe, anyone that is involved in that fenko, come, more involved in war activity, whether it's activity or whatsoever it is, war marry, they are playing a very bad role towards the society. Yes. So being it a share, whether it is TikToker or Don Lalambang for Munan Lalambang, they are all involved. Yes.
Sadly, ako for Don Nala Mwitibang, for Sheko Mwitibang, they are all involved. I think, Mariam, you said something here that is really important. Nida the religious last side, like religion last side, like minka the dino. Because after all, the Muslim already. Now, I see no reason why people should be chasing what we call cheap popularity. Ibo kuken no membi kikang. They are all going in vain. Umukuti me alonko asifeng. Fwete iti hamuta mulbe blame sambala mentorol. Karandula lombang fondung society lo.
Well, nimbe blame dila. Nte blame dila karandula. Because karandula to bribe karandika. Ede ni ante edi no le kara. Bribe karandika itandile ko. Iben min be karande kan iben men karan kante ni finjite kamol karandal hani atari karadal harfol la ya karandi ala le kam ala be jula ban ning ayatare ya karande pour moli yafko kari ite fenso tale jabe kala haban mentora bari fanan tebe blemo sambala men kan wala be kala society because muno mol ka ikamol compare mel man killing ye moja karanta doina ana ila comment section ita mo fen karanat ya fa ila kana betiya da bad ni dol ta betiya comme ikaje fen ko de igana doje do ya safe ndala my favorite sheikh is Jabir dobina fen ko to ko den ay do ta fen ke je be mul compare la anden hanin nañu karanna bal men bulo ko ne iba comparing them ni wo kom hada badi mo we have emotions and then shaitan katariya pare play with our emotions jama so iti aje be nyunke kanta bete yatale bari mood be ni mol compare iti fana batrele ba ul min si fenke mi yalan ko nyindu make ning ayatare kawandila wala karanne mi bi kan wotali ba di la bake be la ma ibe fam batande be ma kharijo de fenke la bake ni adri bake ken pour que mol mako mole karangi bulokon ha oh mashallah bani bake kan itale yalon dal ni tambe si la camera mala wallahi fona yalo ifon kale ne ko may amala kam men kam ni amala le pour que mol makoy ala subhanahu wa ta'ala be reward la ala tol fanan me ala kon tol man karan be karan ni bulokon bani ba he gan ne pour mol yaje ke mo fenkering wati because of societal pressure or something ite fanan de alon ko mol ba jibe lalde bari nafa be men sotala yoma qiyam wata sotalaji so wodum man nafa soto ite be ko ke kan ne pour mol ye karanji ina ko de ngila camera mala ila liman ila ikhlasu man tareji ibaki kan just mol ya fuko mashallah okay adiamo siata anu fanan I think we will blame the society ani hana manke dino fo la karola kodol bije kake on social media anti I blame the society because ita ka modo je ikasile you wonder funyi ngala alfalle dindi merentu because ataka men je banta Senegal le wala Nigeria wala fendu wala nanyi mobile inin kamani wala inin sungutino betala steering apartment ika sungutino waji kamani wala sungutino ibe steering nyo kan kufutula abamale afamale mol ni men yalan ko ba kulula nun to ni kuke mol ka fay kari di wala nyinta ibe ke mako yakulu but science society be mol be nyakasi nyodi wala ni moy menke ikunka so society will be blamed for many things that are happening.
Exactly. Like Mariam, society will be blamed for all the things, many things that are happening constantly. Ajibe, karandulal beki, karandimen na wala mo yake mo kendo. So after all, Nina, it is a society. Me along with this making that life so much difficult for you. So much me anka. And so Khadija, when Mariam young society is making things difficult. We anka like a life happen the Monday. Miyanko is making life difficult. Bismillah la kongu TV jang. Ngane late tale but inshallah. Mbaje la ko sayani sayin. Aske no fo siraj la ko lebe fengeri mbang so notwithstanding ba fala jibir la at fanada say. But in sabula fala ni jibir la nyukon.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mo be kon donc stade Ali wala anim badi ma fulol men bijang anin jibir la albe. Bafala letale na ko leve siaring at but we take up the responsibility because nyadon goal vocabulary la responsibility la until la fault mo nyanta kana junale but because of one or two things wal be mol mutaka waliatin na assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Kome afu nyamen kay nyadon ko kay always take up the responsibility. Ari ko fana minyan da kala. So Mustafa ikita mo timi an ko e mol tari kaja nsava tema kono far dal. You understand? And make kaja kam men on purpose and purpose of popularity. Ina da jive mol lon tan kawn. And in fana mol kamen kisai wolam society kon kaje kombatun they famous. Mustafa is famous. I also want to be famous. Follow natari safo no mol fame, this in popularity and purpose. It how connected are they?
Okay, these two are very connected to a point that Nimi Bondino Nyoto, ita camera Ibemu Kilingolet. But I will just go a bit into details of what each of them is. So when we say purpose, shall we say it comprises of so many things. It also comprises of so many things which we will deal with. Kinangabol kono, ye fangolong, yalo mune jaritete, what matters to you? Fancy file jaritete individual way. And then sabanyongo, you identify your strength and weaknesses. Nyinke kemole problem with society kono. Akata fumul meyango, sometimes many of master's degree be able in both sides, both English and Arabic. They don't know what their strengths are, they don't know their weaknesses. And if you don't know these things, it will be very difficult for you to know your purpose in life. And the other thing is pay attention to what moves you. Being a problem will be sharing. But what kind of problem are you so particular about? Are you so connected to? You feel involved. Hana treta fong among kitala or lamang kila close family member, but I society lo and then you feel like fong problem can resolve. I think I have a ways in which same problem will solve no. And the other thing is try different things. Problem. Niko try different things. I tell people, whatever you want to do or try in life, there are methods that you use. Maybe what works for Chati might not work for Khadija. So what you do is, if only bali l'insan ala nafsihi basira. Ila fosuto, yewuli. Atara mo bebes larine, bla bebe tenkunde. Ask yourself critical questions. May alonko, hani me dayele ajabi, but deep down in you, the answer will reflect. Ibana ko toyato nya ngam fanyinen kanyu question mena nyina ma la jabirot so no kera abe mari ma ko ila leta lafta mem billa yo lonno but ni manyin ko dra be badan la because at the end of the day you will be lying to yourself and in finding your purpose lying is not part of it, so you should let go of that. And the other thing is listen and learn. Nyinke mul batani babakel sign people ni ko ali lamoy, it's always a problem for them because it is not about in communication. They will tell you this: listening is as important as talking or speaking. You understand? The more you listen, the more you learn new things, and then the more you develop yourself. And our society, science, we are not willing to unlearn what we have learned and relearn new things. So that is also something may allow more button the society con, especially in our funding wala karol. Italian in Italy University, or jira grade 12, or it be jet to the recatara sea world, you know everything. The ima lonko, it is far beyond that. Ninko karamo, only an for Ninko London, you know, and I don't know how to say this. Ninko, learning and schooling, they are different. Yeah. Learning continues, schooling stops. So fanni ke wonyanta kala multimiano ko wato wari be ke wuyalale pour que karang wato bela amen ke school to dammati wala school e bandal but karang nyanda continue la wato bela. And the other thing is reflect on your experience as well. Dunia ibuka wuli doro ye ku ke doro ye perfection osoroje bayan force ibe feel la ko do lale and then ko do bi jebe kolle hale bulle fe lef ke give up and ko do bi jebe na doro sonable allo muna soniati te bul me an ko ning aketa doro ni tare je ke ganyo soroje an me an ko ni tare je jandi ke ganyo soda kamela an me an ko ni jara ku nyin ke buka ganyo soroje ferem fere nyanto fanal lon nolal and fanya bu ko dila walla ka fi fay aka be sonala o bukari, but the reality within you wala ke mari mako no yin siva. So last but not the least, inyanta ke moto me alon ke be patient sort la back e be munyala. In finding your purpose, sometimes it takes years pour que la purpose find, because it is about self-discovery. And then you became from a discovery without knowing who you are, without knowing your circle. In ngame imbe program jibe kanu jani mina ngame ka fa khadije ko maninkol ko niale bota dameng ikala ni kata dameng, but before ibala ni bota dameng follow ibala na leta mu jumala ti follow itala purpose mu de dunia kono. What are your alignment? And then new long ibina lo ni bita dameng, so ibita dameng, it's a circle that will take you to where you want to be. So that is about purpose. Nina the popularity, it's about more yenteje, more ke diamuntela, people emulate me, and then I serve as an influential tool towards people. You understand? So when I'm popularity, you don't consider all these factors that I have mentioned, but ita kamunaje, ninga nyinka mulbe muna falama, ninga nyinka mulbe mutala mu kendolti, ninga nyinka hey ninda dawda mulbe taram falale, limbenda dawda kafo bente yedro, ibe tarafal alu felente wala Mustafa felente. That is popularity. And then dunya balu manke word. Dunya balu is about purpose. And wali atina Siraj la graduation mentamita, our team we said potential, something like from potential to purpose. People have potential. They know they have potential, but they don't have. They know they have purpose also, but they don't discover their purpose. And in discovering your purpose, there are several ways to do that. One of them is through mentorship. Man, I can proudly say that I discovered my purpose through a mentorship program. And I am pretty much sure Chati also did the same thing. Khadija did the same thing. Maybe you also did the same thing. So a lot of people, after to know your purpose in life, by and force, or most of them, you must go through a mentorship program. Or you must have a mentor. But you must have a mentor. Whatever you want to do, you contact that person. The person will advise you on how to do things, how to go about them. So I'll stop here for now. I don't know.
MashaAllah, Mustafa. Odlang kita bakile kabrina danga Maria Fawani anim Khadija. Mustafa kubi tala la di tablo kalsai sare namunda. Wala sai kami putri fendi jolam sang carbon ni drong kada mo fote. Exactly. And Mustafa, yeah, idea muta purpose lale, and you also talk about popularity. Community cool GB, they are very connected at some point. But Nina da GB, ila cool sifata no lado tole. You understand? Because science society membakang, ite have for the modo sala purpose discover nole. But for my miracle popularity sa distract nole. Pro purpose ay bakang.
Okay. Popularity can mean distract puri abuela purpose kang are people that are not well trained or that are not well established when it comes to the realities of life. So more near along. Okay, until baby Jan, why are we all not distracted? Because we know what we want, we know who we are, we know where we are from, and then we know where we want to be. So and then we are well established. If you are well established, no is bouquet distract or la mol be mem follow bouquet distract. Man, I tell people, if I want to do anything in life, I consider 2 or 3 things. Killing, because I know well and deda, he will hold me accountable for that. And then flanjango, what will be the outcome for me? Killing, flanjango, right? And then sabanjango, what will be the outcome for the society or for the community that I am from? And then I tell people, even friendship, to build friendship with people, I think about certain things. How can I develop myself through our friendship? So if I see that I cannot develop anything and then you cannot develop anything from our friendship, I mean anything positive, I stay away from your friendship. Because at this point I do not need that. But I don't need Nintara Dawda Mulka, Mustafa Ferentin, Kari Ferentin, Siraj Fund. No. I want to make impact. So, nintang mamoso na balo ko na may nabang pusla wakang, walang ba pusla to make an impact in other people's life, then I stay away from you. So, in order for you not to be distracted, you should know yourself better, and then you should know where you want to be. And then, yalong ko ite, sila jan balatana, kana fute badame. So, ni mwala kumakang wala, no so member dunia ko, no, want to distract you, reflect yourself back. Ask yourself the same questions you have asked yourself before. I am sure you will come back.
Exactly. I'm sure you'll come back. Need Mariala Munamila purpose. Mariama, Mustafa ya kuli fanya milialan ko kumara. Ngan ko daji ko dulbe tarje milialan ko ibi hadama di makwela. Pura sti ala purpose kan. Ite amrele mu daji ka jomalete.
Mustafa Manuf.
No, not Mustafa.
Okay. Daji ko me yalan ko membat na moye.
Yeah, you just focus. Come you stay on your purpose.
Abe daji ko na discipline. Discipline. Because hanama dingwa come ni ko nyina mun nasilote. Akete nyaaw nyaabe tahadiya to so that you face challenges. Ko kana koleya yaji saying I discover my purpose and I want to do this. Bari besilo nyinka yaji ku koleya ikumba ngabula. Kana abula. Akoleya ta nyaawonya awa ning ayata ku nya dalin ku kendot. Kana abula je because of koleyalem, kana abula je because of mulla kuma kawalem, kana abula je because of fendolem me yalon ko it's distracting you. Wala twengo because mol akata nyawnya hana madingo ikata nyawnya mul bediamla yaka betama ibediamla yaka jawma ibediamla so yaka betama yediamu yena fa yena society na fa it's better. So abe wol kono discipline wolem sabarote abe anin consistency ko akata kodine kana jutu kula hana wani kana jutu be menkeka molu menkeka modu ku bale kekan hayaji nyindo mashallah he's doing good but ite be menkeke be kumale ha bata kete nyaanya be futaleji umari membe damendo amon jump break a futaleji domanding wole kum mayata katamdi ye fionke fatfat yeta because hani ibe fion karanka moya jibe me yanka jama be ya safaji be dara tanka fatfat atata anim yanka domon batata kunne men batata kunne wole ka kunyun no adaka experience to je baake dan me yanka ka fatfat so kana koronto and then ye duma kunyinka. Yeah.
Exactly. Akoy kana koronto ye duma kunyinka kadun demanding aka boro banda jam meta nyaanya ni adomandom e futala jele anto Khadija so ite amuta komi Mustafa betenne ngam fan suma Mustafa la adum malo Mustafa ya start nyadil o mun ko le yakule nati kan hadama dion kam just to stay on their purpose. Mustafa, for example, Mustafa alamu Siraj, the founder of Siraj Mentorship Academy. Community ulta rek ko Mustafa be dame fanan lafta la nga mul kaf ñowa bi holo do prietaji but I never asked Mustafa ya commencé nyadil ay mun kulle dundi meaning comme bem fan compare kan with Mustafa so itam do ka mun netti ñano hadama di na balwo kon pour to stay on purpose on his purpose rather.
Okay, so kamen tinya hadama di wala sangoda hadama di wala life to is to my understanding. Come, Itala capabilities and Mustafa's capabilities are different. And also, what
Yes, I know what Mustafa is the ruler.
Okay, when I said the capabilities are different. And secondly, Mustafa silo minta. And Itala silo, maybe they will not be different. Come even different. So you cannot say you like you cannot follow Mustafa's footsteps. Yes.
Exactly. Wala Mustafa sa sinno no bari aske no dadu so reje mi halon ko si sono wala Mustafa so da dami. Maybe for example nimbe kata talinni aske no ninde futa da jana buvazon si sono la ngata. Marian si tano hikmala dulado la ko Mustafa sa bo mbaru ngata fo dam manjara la Johnson ko so you understand meaning wala moti. So barme Mustafa fa bulata do falaji.
So killing, it is not bad to emulate people, huh? It is really good. But along ibe jumale emulate la after I menke yo Kenya dile. Killing ama long amaria start nyade. And Gambian whole especially funding ke kunda nyamuna problem wala. I would not name names or organizations. I could recall when one of the program, I think I mentioned it here. Kabimba Tre can to come up with a constitution for Siraj. I contacted some of these mentorship organizations and I was like, we want to use your constitution for guidance and everything. And they responded, they were like, no, it is done. And the Kabiavo, I know I could use other means to get it, but I'm not going to let it slide. And then I went on, when the team, I pressured them everything, we come up with a very perfect constitution. I know it's not perfect, but at least very good constitution. You understand? sometimes moka ikajeni mobe be dogo kilongala amari mantara ke computer lefendo, but it is making your work much more easier for you because it left them in bekele it ta bekele no you alone or your organizations alone. So it's important he left the more men emulate la inaka kacha yalo nga start damning yalo munala jar jarot, and then be honest with that, be honest to him tanda ndafana nga miro so la for 10 then I would need your guidance. Therefore, what any honesty somewhat loud like a sonial. And then secondly, along it left the moment emulate la musifa nyadi lama. Man, I tell people, Adam Madungo if you think in life, there are three factors that affect or affect that particular thing. Killing amari the dino mumunet. Dino ya marala nyadi. How established is that particular person to his religion? It could be any religion. It could be Muslim, Islam, Christianity, Jews, anything. And then secondly, their family background. Amari la family beliefs monitoring everything about their family. Sabanya, the society that particular person is staying in. Society also has a very important role in playing our lives, and then in making this in influencing our decision, whether we know it or not. As Keno itel of the men established in a society kono, it's not the same as new men established. New established be failed. But through inalo communication kono, at least abatan lilo kontolo society be sulari nyina la wali ananganyinke. I believe at all ta if you do your survey and studies and everything, nyinte betialaje, but nyindole be betialaje. That person might even support you with everything that you need pour ko fewni establish. But sometimes we are not honest ourselves. Ngavol ko ninko nyen lefta nyene kala doro, abaje la ta fanambo walla, and then abeng his ahasidiala ko nyin konole, atalef la nganyaro ta so it is not always like that. I tell people, ite mem muitadi, always wala ke reflect ifong wala nila fa kukela wala ilafta mol confront la anything. You understand? Niajo konte ni mola be nyindlado, anatan intel be nyindlando mona ta ya mako rola. If you are sure that komba mako la alaka, wallahi ni tata molia be mako la. Alako ya'lam Allah fi qulubikum khayra yutikum khayra. Ni ala yalon ko tonya khayro la bal kono fengo fe lafta mengel ka khayro na fi na fengo fe da lafta mengel ko nyunko. So akake wala nyam bari buko just wuli dorong ye churumbe moko ni okay ka fel wo fule.
Ko mo gan kemo de me ko ye churumbe fole ot eta ka men wala me ki hakilo bi cool jibe. In my opinion, for them is very important, and I was here and even in journalism. Ka mo yen ya kumani. Emi journalist wala ma dia kumani ga lafta ngol food wala lafta program wala lafta come ye cool experience. Sometimes most of the time you see they decline. It's halfway no, I'm not gonna do it. But because what happens is sometimes you katali kila kujibi kajibi nyimbita kanya denga nyimfa na nyi others kino haben the sort of line. So I understand. Last time we went text like journalism apenye ko exactly nga call I saw his program nga calling kai ko follow nga kumu diamda nkai benya record and so akunye ko. But why are you asking me like a journalist? You are asking me as if you're having an interview with me. Nkai notwithstanding, nkai is okay. Nkai I'm just calling you to communicate, to share something with you. Nkai you are doing great, and also these are the ways that is may use no purila kule kanya to. Kunye at the end nkai thank you. Nkai I use my own credit. Nkai call. But I see Dori that come jawi hanging. So Mustafa, eti amuda munika hatred sab. Mol mili halon ko be doku killing in the name of popularity, because that's all. That's it.
Killing menke hatred sabu in the name of popularity in men bedogo killing wala killing akatende ko ite follow fongo you are not good, you are a pretender. Ike pretender ko iberiata, but deep down in you are not good, because ning iberiata mfama tatana kanyem fo almani manin ka kalama ako bungo mu nganiyo mu bungolet. So men yemme ngani amolye ala ko la kiteye yemme ngani fa ala ko la kamol. So I have ning has been my moral lesson ever since kabi ngani moyala lefa fengo fenkela. I put myself in that shoe. Ning photo ya tonya lefta karin ke ngani ay lefta wole ken defa wala ba ning hani I don't intend that to that particular person. And I have interacted with so many people. Many along they are into mentorship program, or many along they are doing youth work, or many along be cool ka kan tebe menkeka. But wallahi, I tell them that fengo femi an ngalong ko ning mole na tante ya wala tata moya angala atelefila ntelefila yo sifadin. I wouldn't tell you that. yafa so ntebe lef lef ngo fe nambole ke anan flanjango most of them ikata lal to mene alongo they themselves know that iman capable pour kataraje so they are afraid of their position or they are afraid of their names and wasifal isik jikita ko ninyi ndo na me alon ka ya long intel position beta lambola wala man awu be demoted and then he will be promoted anan sabanjango mol pisaltale bring alpha kundala kana fo fondinke kunda mol pisaltal mol ngamera fo soto be nyo tinyale bala soto be nyo yebe bole bala soto be kabula nyola wulula la ni la family kenen anan mol yamira fana soto be tamola bala wala karam mol nyina to ko soto be alala bul melan ka di mol men diata e nen fore fana be alala bul ka mo jara bala men diata e nen ite place o men so alon ko yefengo fen ya soto bi on fenet mi anko safeta le janni dunya kedda a safeta la belari so fen jida soto la fo me alon ko alal lanyinta men anan fenti toro la fana fa alal lanyinta men so ne adama de ngoy nyin soto dorong imari kafenga so nas na limani al fana mam bambang because ni bambanta ko inyanta ka bamban nyame ala yalo wallahi mbitale without any class I will give you an example mo jibe mo fla men yalon ko friend fulola me yalon ko the other one is honest and genuine fengo fenga ya soto I men kana fengo ya ko kana la friend way and then the other person the other friend on ate he is not honest or genuine ate aninyi mbita kana doron just ida take benefit men so daje wala pour ko mari long and then na tinya imari buka kilia atake men ngania pour katinya ala ko wala selendi o le sol katrata kan ate men kala fi katinyaro ka ataka tuduma wato be so dunia beten anen mba jinla ni men wala kila al hadith sallallahu alaihi wasallam akonin adama dingo duwata badi ngoy khayra kuwat wala fe ngo fe malaika do ka tara lore ka fay ko alama ala yo nyongo kete so lona liya ko ni lafta khayru lete is better kana duwe fa ngoye bare duwe badi ngoye saje malaika la duwa bu kaboy o be murreta marika so a starta pour ngam fongo sondo moko na dada mala fannene afela jana wala hanin ko Gambia hanin jumale na fi nan atan na banko da dalano Africa hanin jumale na fi nan atan na banko da dalano the only thing sulata mena pour ken na banko da ka atinna ke better place for all of us is attitudinal change madama man daji ko falin nanatita kila na kila sallallahu alaihi wasallam ala ya jaini daji ko la kai wa innaka la ala khuluqin azim kai ngankali ko to yato nya idaji ko nyinya dal so adama do ni daji ko man nyinya dron ikatara ka hasidiya ning sonne me kila da masara kam moye me ka buke sam
exactly I mean volam ni daji ko man bete adron ere ka wara kuku na do mi la ta ko e ka mur ko mo wa tare e dal na fo ko mi la ta nya to le fo so after all that is not too important man kuma fa we are all brothers and sisters abanta mustafa men sotola alayo safele hanna dare mune gara la bo sotola maryam men sotola khadija men sotola dem men sotola alayo safele wala na e kamuji mo wuli kilin star dollar ni ala ko nyin albira da visa apply ala du ya safele ko mustafa al Canada visa atale beta ramul ko me on kate ba sotlal mariam ba sotlal hannindel baby ji nta sotono ate ji is not part of it aman tariji so after all im kana ji so mbadin siraji bi topico in kumata back modul kaso ve comment section or got topico in kumata I think they always come up with very brilliant topics it's just that like I think the people in Siraji agreed I used to say this they are good mashallah so I will thank them for that and coming from Mole, if you can support them, their doors are open. Istano jela another committee coming for celebrity or celebrity left the malare kita ji jiol isi ma ko no jiotole oh it's fine because they really need that because on feneme anko ban so Khadija what is that thing that you learn in Siraj me along wherever you go itingina no lawol
Okay. No mun land sidan mi alon ko den dada anywhere and then na wala. Comes about Seattle to me. It's a Seattle. Okay. First of all is believing in myself. The second one is like believing in my capabilities. The third one is knowing myself. The fourth one is being aware of myself. And the fifth one is developing myself when it comes to public speaking. Yes, these are some of the things I've learned in Siraj. And also leadership. I've also learned about leadership. Yes.
So jani na Siraj ngal ne ko be karamoy la leadership so kabiri na da Siraj fe multi me alon ko fen karanje me alon ko annin sama ni ke député di gambe lol tan misala
kabena da sira ngo fen karanjel mi alon ko hani sama yenke president sa but like I will make impact and I will try within my capabilities not to deviate from my roles and responsibilities as a good leader.
Riki kungi jabakal hanni ke president. Exactly. So, Mariama, science our program bina bankan. But at the Banwa we must talk about Siraj Intosif Academy. We come all the time they're talking about Siraj Intosif Academy, Mustafa Kablo Chodina. Sa la famelon, Marihabe Munkul Katakul Kekan, Kasiraj Futandi Biabe Diamond Doteng. In your capacity as the Secretary General of Siraj Intosif Academy.
Me katakul menke kame at na member tin na Siraj Tanya. Abe wol ko na yalan na mo di ni wasa America ne kan. Abol ko na liki karandi nyame. Be ma ko kanne because ninto ngol ma ko wol finkita banda. Yento represent dawada wali tul itati foe dawada ibe nyinin kala because there will be difference in them. A typical Arabic student, a typical Arabic student, anime yalong ko a pastor through mentorship. Ida Siraj lang wala fendonem, but particularly Siraj. Mentam bitanim wala anime yalong ko mantam bifenna. Ibenta dulato, mulbe be farko jila itima, the differences jila itima. Wada madama fo mu fenit me yalong ko, mbe wodi ningo mako kan anime society mako inika. Anim fana nka ko mako erdo be kono nka molle nyini me yalong ko ibe karandi la amanke mdan kondoro moti. Mukata adoro nga mochi ka nka ina mol karande. Nka molle tan me yalong ko they are very good ntal fonga na lati lale ani nilo ta dindingol nyato ibe karandi la ni be na fasutala. Man mammo sama nanji me yalong ka lota dindingol nyato ay karandi ko man fen faham wala man fen karan. Lungolung de la new things in the eta. Anen fanambe kadoko kere day and night. Furu kaji kom Siraj akana ke Mustafa Mariam Kafoda Mati. Ay taraji fo mu fo faw. Nintol man taraji itol beji. Itol men biji men karantaji yena ya kafunyi samba. Because science ga make sure they take responsibility fengodola and nimbe decision odol make la ga make sure they are involved. So yalo fo ika mo mako ele. Ani ka mako be ida fala mo ko be kan dikal leadership lala ay leadership karan na ma class ko na ita ama implement. And kay make sure le men kara ika implement. Yeah.
Exactly. Mariama ko ika make sure le men karang ika implement. Sayang ada Mustafa. Ngana Siraj ku yama beta je mi am ko ta rasula wala. Komi an janninga fototo ite amata Siraj la impact mi ba ke kan especially Arabic school student la side because mune keta ni mukulet me ngo mallara school dinu ni lon komi kaje ko mentorship parce que be kara moy ladde wala mel yang ko ta English school la side maybe on samu Arabic school so ite am dañ impact abi mun impact le kala na society kono ka Gambia tonko nano bibing ni na tawla anim flanjam Siraj fana mun kulu bi je me ko tande be sular wallale pour ni jama moli sina to their aid to help them with that decided la cool si futa bosse fana parce que ngol fa ngay be sular ni
Africa wa galio killing Siraj be muy impact le mekan society kono I believe Siraj be impact jamal le mekan society kono because there's this a doctor in Al Hikma University last time tata janimol kedo Madara ila student dol commanding. She's a mentee in Siraj. And then about leadership and so many other things. So kabin kana futa ngame abo keka lota le malle fital nyanje so ngaja ba nyinin kaka o ba jabe ka ba nyinin kaka ba jabe ka. So kabin sungro nya ko dia tata na nga konto. And then akuma follow men fanyi wala mo ning ayatara nung mafanning ke yara nga chanto so no then be join Siraj because nga jalal ben fa men keka. And the other thing is kabring na second cohort kana start data school also mol men school kuto pour que invite na nin dia mata Siraj la daro ka hamale nkala payol jale nkala program wol follow you people are doing great so mo ku flañ and then the other thing for last time sungudo no me yalan ka dunda moto kono pole drive ko moto fara police ko ya samba Yeah, finding police so ye nyo sabo sort of fengo be, and then police was like, ite mo na kan ka Arabic student nol, okay hani Arabic student nol buga yeah. So that and hana tara siraja impact dan to wadam mala, until we are proud that alhamdulillah we are doing something great for the society. And then saying, until we mean target kan woman ke sama sinin ni quoted, we are targeting generations to come left any impact of futa wallel my finti wallel. We are changing the mindset of Arabic students. It's ala mind is the powerhouse of everything. If it is developed at the mind, amari ba kelanol. But it is not well established here, amari the fenkelano. So we are trying to change their mentality. Kaje ko tonya dino ntolbe nga dino keren dino nyine and then we are going to hold on to that. Ya faham bari ngata ni kombe society la kon alal ko male wala tan sana siba kemina dunya lakini nyina la dunya so ite nyina no le la dunya la prietare la dunya kono dunya katanin silo menna meni tele dino mo nyowali nya fedu wo kono sometimes anila dino be nyowali ya lebe dunna kono with the purpose that not popularity but with the purpose that lafta dunna nyina to pour que nyim faling ibaje na sin sama generation on men kana will not face the difficulties that we are facing and Siraj is doing that. Non to Arabs don't know they don't involve into politics. Ibukata voters kat they don't talk about Gambia na fengolte. But say is different. Jandem facilitator funkana within themselves they discuss about the national issues. They discuss about things that matters to them. They feel that they are part of the society. And that is what we want to see. We don't want to go to an institution or a decision making body where chatting into the Malawi as Arabic student. We want to see hundreds of them, thousands of them. We want to go to institution and they are like, you know what, the deputy permanent secretary or permanent secretary or minister himself or herself is an Arabic student. And then this is the impact that we want to create, and then we are sure that Mboka can impact Boka create in a short moment, but it's a gradual process. Co development of Benyame, co peace building Benyame, and then to self discovery Benyame. So the other thing is Siraj Besula Munnel la science. Siraj Besula in Fenja Mal la science. Maybe people will be like Siraj is perfect because Mbukamo be Dandirola, Mbukamo ikata institution also for partnership and so forth and so on. Ntolata kudantanela. Jandibita Mulia Kafe Kalimako, I want to make an impact. Start your impact. Let people see your impact. Let your impact speak for you. Jandi Famabita Mulia. That's why Majako Fentembulo, Matunga si Faninga Kodo Soto Walla Faninga Fensarani. We're like, with the little money that we are earning ourselves, let us invest that in these people so that tomorrow, wait until Bijan Wallahani, these people will be greater in the society and then they will build the Gambia that we all want to see in the future. So Siraj Besular Kujamal Abokona Science Besular Memfongala. I think it's institutional partnership. Meya lonko na mentil ninge karande from pareta ibitaji eta internship program ke ibitaji ibita employment or sotleje be doku kala. They want to be they want to contribute to national development. Sa intol mantara jangka mo ala so 5,000 ala so 10,000 for an event. No tol tambita wala. Dol kame mira wala nkemul men karan. How well can they make an impact in the society, in the life and in the livelihoods of the Gambians and the entire world at large. So Mbesulari Wallella, Mayalonko institutional nga partner, and then the avenue create Arabic student only, the avenue create Stradla Mentilia, and then other young people, many they are willing to develop themselves through anything. And then my institution we started making moves because last time we met with one of the MD, I wouldn't name the institution. Chati is here. Walunga ndare mitinola bring 5 for Suto 11. Siraj Lamol, just to ensure that Siraj Bitano Nyadi. Waliana Ninka for Mole, Siraj is doing more than people see. Dol camera high albediam kensamal. Sometimes hand online call. Get call the $4 wado katembi, and then we ensure that ni kuni buy and force puri anana mitino. Nga finding at a mitino la bring 5 for Suto 11, 12. Just to ensure that nga fellon the hanintol TJ, Siraj ba continue no la nyame. So kabing okay. Ning amari nyim benten Nadia matanga Siraj le fangol faye, and then he was really impressed about it. I'll nobody molako ngasen, but he's yet to respond. Ngalo noko ila cool kasiale, and then with other permanent secretaries and so forth, and other institutions like NYSS. Last time ila communication officer wala nata je kemol mentilta. And one, he's an Arabic student. Because man, I don't like to use the word was. He's an Arabic student. I am an Arabic student. Chad is an Arabic student. We are all an Arabic student.
So you don't want to use was.
Yes, the was means we were.
You are.
So we are still part and pursue with these people. Kabira Nada, Ani engaged and everything. He was really impressed. And I was like, after Nin settled the Fengabela, we want to come for institutional partnership. And he was like, Nabunda Belingalil, Wati Alnana, Najed Albe Impact Menkekan, and so on. And then I fell into the details, Katen Arabic student on loco. Sometimes I'll come opportunity TJ, but opportunity is just that you people are not okay with them and whatever. And then he explored a lot of options to them. Me anko nena mara nunko wal sifa albesodare. So Siraj besulari nyinela not muina kododi. Yes, ni kododi molambatalal because we need it. But besulari men na wala mga men karandi ni jod lalta men alon ko they will make impact that will last forever. Yeah.
Exactly. That is that they will make impact that will last forever. And I'll be left in perpetual impact, not just like Komikaje, you give us $5,000 or $10,000. We just go to Serakunda, Sanjiun in Juicy Lamobia, Juicy the other. So, Maria, when we get a final word, the member of members, Siraj members. Sorry, Allah mentil.
Hey. Me na final word we elementi walem ale fengo fenkarang alkana bulaji and then make sure kana ale stay true to yourself. Kana mul copy many alang ko they are not good for you and then kumu safaya fanyame. Hani lafta kamo copy le wala lafta kamo emulate last. Try by all means ina mari ka diamo ya long amari ay sila juman leta fafuta dot. Ye wolke. Ya long ko fanang katara siring la comfort zone na madama you will not discover your potentials. Finti, cool, ke many along ko ifong yala nying I can do it. Sometimes fung ibe siri fa mirol kanya kilo kon. Mira kendol, o me mira kendol men kanya kilo kon try ya implement. And then I make sure ibe kuku kela kana jibi kana fendo komil ida mala ko da majibi je ake ye society ma koy. Ibe kuku kela fanang yalong ko ibake kang alakamma yake alakamma alabi ma koy inshallah.
Exactly. Ako try you help the society and Khadija. The final words.
Okay, so until the final word by Calamity Wallam, us as mentees and every other young person out there, let us continue to believe in ourselves, our capabilities. Yes, these are some of the things I want to say. Yes, and this thing also. Let me see. This one is not this thing there. Yeah. Okay, guys. So this is Kuanku TV. Do join us every Tuesdays at the hours of 1700. Yes, so we are saying a very big thank you to our audience and our listeners. Yes, thank you.
Thank you so very much. How are you, journalist before? I'm the Mustafa.
Yes, before we get the final words, this is what we do at Siraj. We ensure that we expose our mentees. Kana je ko ntol damma ngana ngasi ngadiam perfectly ngata mul people will be impressed about hey Siraj nkol keketa no, but we want to explore them. Yana nang ifana let them face the realities. Bajal ni boda Siraj tata dawdarane. Yes, today is her first day, but ning aboda jang atata dawdarane should be comfortable now. Bajal okay, I did it once and mom fa kuman kenna, so now I'll be able to do it. This is Siraj. This is what we do at Siraj. So now kuma kallabango we'll go to Jamiat al-Hikma or Jamiat al-Hikma. Kinin bara bake kafe kabrila ila vice chancellor la kananan duma kafe ala baraka bake. Honestly, niyame mulba fala Siraj is because of Hikma. Because Hikma lila venue di mo lang ka use, nkela geo use, ngela jonkong use, ngela kurango use, nkela projecto fango use, le hani fengi maka imaka ni mulbol. So ita Siraj fala no, imang Hikma fo. Ya faham. So mbe Siraj mbe Hikma tentula bake, katandi la ko Allah effort is well appreciated, and then wallahi fenne me alon ko Siraj nyenete nyina lala anytime soon. Nimboda woto kana Kuanku TV. Yes, niamwe mo jama ba fala Siraj sako men ba bolon ko nanin santoto is because of Kuanku TV. To nyale mo alkamul mako e bake, but albe Siraj mako e kende in a ways that people cannot imagine. Nimbia manka Kuanku TV di, maybe membe basi allon hare jana watala na manam Siraj, membe fatoto jana watala na manam Siraj, membe kiyan wulo kono jana watala na watala na munam sirat yafa so but it's because of Kuonku TV avenue di mollan kananang ikela credit ko use yela fengo be use ke mul ma koy ibajila kaje kon tolbe do ko men na ko ngam fenon dal dam mata kelo no so let them also play their quota and then we really appreciative of that. So last but not the least walam ke siraj la koti momol kondo. Honestly whenever I am talking about these people I get so emotional because I know the efforts and the sacrifice these people are putting through kaje ko siraj ta abedamen bi. I tell people ninga tan nte dam malam nte mun siraj kido juda sama dolet nte bijente ti jaman na fasota but ninyi mo koti mol kono mo kili wututa tan siraj be jijalal because these people sacrifice a lot ila time ila resources their ideas literally their everything sometimes even their social life to ensure that Siraj Tara Abedaming, to ensure that they impact young people's life, to ensure that they create a society that Lafakatara Menkono Masotono to create that society for the upcoming generation. So we are saying thank you so much to the core team of Siraj Mentorship Academy. We are really proud of you, and then your efforts are noticed and then well appreciated. Last but not the least, wala musaraj la mentil. Sorry, na facilitator. Because nimma nyinke mbe jamfala kela. Ike kolle, yela doku bala, yela paso jandi, yela esanso jandi, fengo biya bala inana. Ana dolfo biya paso la, not dolfo ibe, manindir jaw wala karne ika paso mota. Na mo ko diba ka pasi mota. Na ni kanale they deliver to expectation. Ye fengo be within themselves may along pour mental sa understand we go big. We are saying thank you and then we really appreciate your effort. And then mental fana. Iko niko karam mungo, ima fa karandingo, and say you are liking something or you are missing something. Niko siraj, ima fa mental, and say it's not siraj completely. Until kemen bake and then in charity the mabukata society kana findimbala. But it's the mentees many along kata school older, they go back to their societies or their communities ka impact ye pur mole siraj lang kendege, but not just ka long or pur ka long siraj nyata ka adamading transform nyadile to ensure that your religious values are maintained and then you know your social responsibilities as well. So we bafole ko joni nyente easy la abakole alale. To kolya mentamitital fong you may imagine. But nothing meaningful is achieved through your comfort zone. You must go out there, challenge yourself, and then push harder. Kosiraj baki Kenya, me model bijengala ninge na fena ke jarale. Fengo be even after the session you see them trembling because of silo. That's what we want to kill. Then we are not your enemies. We are trying to develop you. So and then the more we tend to the jiberlal katandi lako alama alin beso khair wala alama alin so manta ben wala siraj fanal lafta futa damen alama ali atamindi wala Kuonku TV fanang alama ali khairu keje alayla TV barakandi. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam Mustafa Barakabaki. I think that is very clear. Senior at the back. Next program, I want to suggest something to you. Like next program, I want you people to select one person for that day who is going to be the host, but all of them are going to be the members from Sirat. Like for example, I will not be there. Maybe I can exclude myself. That day I can be on camera. So now if you have to choose 4 members, one will be the host, 3 will be guests. So I think that is something that you can work. That for next week, inshallah.
And then I want to say this. Siraj, we are going on outdoor session again. Last time Kele and then invite, but I know busy. So we are embarking on outdoor session again on Thursday. Bakela Burfood. Burfood Ngunjuri ka jahasam bole. Is it Burfood? Yes. Bakela Burfood janne. This Thursday come on the 27. Bakela Burfood janne. Mayatin nang ko ke purungan na mental expose. Katani lako karango manke klaso ko na damati. Barangata birin somanda. We expose them into so many things. Ye men karang klaso kono matandi la in real life katara tenne ketene. Let them do it. Let them feel it. Koto yanto nya yara fang ndalonga bena nya donko ya munyine yara fang it is far beyond men karang klaso kono when it comes to reality. Public speaking munyinati atamite nyina. Critical thinking munyinati atamite nyina. Ani fenjama ke expose wal. Brin somanda fo wularo so ma falo Kuonku TV ko you are welcome pour aller nananje at your convenience alia jibe avec kenyame ani fengodol ni men yalon ko fane la fakana ka je avec kenyame. We are not inviting everybody at random because Gambia man safe, and then the safety of our mentees is our concern. You understand? But mul men yalon ko ilafta kanananje ka je sirajo muneke kan pour a partnership sort or for them to support Siraj, they are welcome. They can come and see, engage the core team from there.
No problem, no. But I think you can, maybe if I'm to come, you can inform them that we might be doing random questioning. Yes, we can go to the mentees. We ask them about things that they have learned, and I would love to have things that the session that they have had, like on public speaking, on entrepreneurship and all that. So that one is really great, and inshallah, nemman busy wolu be sila lang amira or that day the schedules, but this time inshallah I think I will be there. So badi na la baraka back in Siraj Awalam this is coming on Konku TV every Tuesday, coming journalist by afanyame ko 1700. So maybe for next time for about like a phone call, excellent. And also for the communication, like on the side of media, if you have anybody who would like to do an internship or the person want to come trying to explore his or her potential, yeah, highly welcome. Let's see how this will do today.